All right. All right, Mr. Wilson. So we are here based on an incident from June 25th of 2026, whereby you were charged, sir, with, it looks like 2 criminal charges and then 3 traffic infractions. Count 1, possession of cannabis over 20 grams, synthetic cannabis over 3. Count 2, possession of cocaine, and then the infractions being failure to use due care, failure to wear a safety belt, and failure to use your designated lane. Okay, do you find probable cause for each of the criminal charges? What does the state recommend?
$1,000 on count 1 and 2.
All right,
Is it 1,000 on each?
on count 1 and 2. That's the recommendation?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes. All right, so the court is going to impose a $1,000 bond on count 1 and count 2 in Mr. Wilson's case. Next is Eric Sinclair Carlso-Smith.
President approaching, he is at the podium.
Okay. All right, so on this one, Mr. Smith, we are here pursuant to an incident from June 25th, 2026, whereby you were subsequently charged with 5 counts. First, possession with intent to sell, manufacture, or deliver cannabis. Count 2, possession of cannabis over 20 grams or synthetic cannabis over 3 grams. Count 3, drug paraphernalia, possession or use of same. Count 4, use or display of a firearm during a felony. And count 5, driving while license suspended, being a first offense. These co-defendants? Mr. Wilson and Mr. Smith? No, perhaps not. No, okay. All right. All right, the court does find probable cause for the charges here. What is the state recommending?
It's recommending 1,500 on count 1, 1,000 on count 2, RR count 3, 1,000 count 4, and
All right,
What's that for?
count 4, 1,000 is the recommendation.
If the court could consider the fact that Mr. Smith currently can't afford the bond as posted. He has been working as a chef for 8 years. He has 1 child that he provides for and 1 child that is about to be born. Obviously, he has a place to stay, has significant ties to the state of Florida. And if with respect to count 4, which is the firearm offense, the court can obviously impose a condition that would allow it to reduce the bond and have no weapons, firearms, or ammo that would help him keep his job and provide for the family.
Defense is asking for it to be reduced to what?
If we could reduce count 1 to 1,000, I think that could help.
Okay. All right. So the court will do a $1,000 bond on count 1, a $1,000 bond on count 2, an ROR on count 3, a $1,000 bond on count 4, with the defendant not having any possession, custody, control of any weapons, firearms, or ammunition, and an ROR on count 5.
Judge,
Yes.
if it pleases the court, when we're done with this gentleman, could we call on page 40 Simon due to medical issues?
Sure.
North Broward? Thank you.
And if we can get a cell phone order for Mr. Smith so that he can access his phone contacts.
Okay, we will also issue a cell phone order on that one. And what page was Simon?
40, Judge.
Okay.
Simon. He's back from medical, but he's not doing so hot. We're going
Okay,
to.
all right. So we are going to next address then on page 40 of the docket, Eric Darnell Simon. And Mr. Simon is he
North
with
Broward,
us?
Judge.
Oh, he's at North.
Yes, Judge.
Right, and his paperwork here. All right. Okay, on Mr. Simon's case. All right, we are here, sir, pursuant to an incident from June 24th of 2026, where you were subsequently charged with 2 counts. The first being a possession of fentanyl, and the second being tampering with or fabricating physical evidence.
Judge, I read the PC. We can PC.
Okay, all right.
That said, if it pleases the court, he's lived in the area for 37 years. Can afford very little in bond. But to our knowledge, he has no failures to appear. Having been able to verify that. We're requesting pretrial release if possible.
Okay, looking to the state.
They would just request 1,000 on each count.
So if I may, Judge,
Mhm.
sir, that would be $200 down to a bondsman generally. Is that something you can afford, 200 down?
Yeah.
Okay, then no objection, Judge.
Okay, all right, so the court will find probable cause on each of the counts and issue a $1,000 bond on each of the 2 counts for Mr. Simon.
May I inquire one more time, Judge?
Sure.
Sir, without discussing the facts of the case, when you were arrested, did they inventory, they being the law enforcement, cell phone or property that could assist you with bond?
No,
Okay,
I guess somebody I can call.
okay, thank you.
Okay, all right, sir, you're
Yeah,
all
well,
set then. Okay,
Thank you.
Are you already in medical or do you need a medical screening?
Yes, I think so.
He just came back.
He's in infirmary.
So they're aware. Okay, thank you.
okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
all right. All righty, then now we are back to page 28, I believe, which is Larry Daniel Henderson.
Thank you for taking my word, Judge.
Yeah. And he's at Maine, right?
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
He's at the podium, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, Mr. Henderson, we are here with you pursuant to an incident from June 24th, 2026, whereby you were charged with 6 counts. Count 1, possession with intent to sell, manufacture, deliver alprazolam, or also known as Xanax. Count 2, possession with intent to sell, manufacture, deliver cannabis. Count 3, possession of psilocybin. Count 4, possession with intent, etc., new legend drug without prescription. Count 5, possession with intent to sell, manufacture, deliver amphetamines. Count 6, committing a 3rd-degree felony with weapon. All right, as I'm taking a look at this, defense, any objection to PC on each count? Okay. Mhm.
Don't say anything, just whisper to the attorney. All right. Thank you. Not this time, Judge.
Okay.
Yeah.
1,500.
All right. Co-counsel, the state's offering 1,500 per count. Is that something you can afford?
Your Honor, if the court could consider the fact that Mr. Henderson is a lifelong resident of the state of Florida, he has 2 children that he provides for. He also owns a car wash, which employs several individuals that depend upon him. He does have a place to stay. If the court could consider that in mitigation of the proposal from the state so that it could be reduced significantly with conditions for pretrial release on ankle monitor.
Wow. Any priors, counsel?
No, I can't, my system's down right
Okay, that just happened? All right. What's the state currently recommending? What was it again?
now. It's 1,500 per count.
And co-counsel is inquiring if he qualifies or be a candidate for pretrial.
All right, well, in the interim, while we figure that out, I do find probable cause on each of the charges alleged here within the probable cause affidavit. So we're checking into what?
Pretrial, from pretrial.
Yes, if there could be if we could lower the amounts as he can't afford it at the moment, and to ensure that he is gonna make his court appearances and comply with the law in the interim, that he be placed on pretrial.
Okay, and we're checking to see if that's an option?
That's fine with the state. We'll give them $1,000 on each and I'll go pre-trial with the GPS open schedule so you don't worry.
Okay. All right. All right, well, in that case, the court will impose a $1,000 bond on each of the 6 counts. And then upon the defendant's release, he will be on GPS monitoring open schedule. And that'll take care of Mr. Henderson's case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Page 29, Virgil Wesley Jones.
President approaching, he's at the podium, Your Honor.
All right, and Mr. Jones' case. This is pursuant to an incident from June 25th, 2026, sir, where you were charged with 6 counts. The first being possession of cannabis 20 grams or less, synthetic cannabis 3 grams or less. The second, possession of a controlled substance without a prescription. The third, drug paraphernalia, possession or use thereof. The fourth, use or display of a firearm during a felony. And then I think these are traffic infractions, the sunscreen side window issue and a covering on the window. All right. Again, while I take a look, does the defense have any argument as to PC? Anything?
Not
No?
this time, Judge.
Okay.
Defense, what do you want on this case?
Well, he's been in Florida all his life. He has a child that he's taking care of. He's a sole provider. He is working currently. He's an IT professional. He's been so for 3 years. If we can do 1,000 for each count.
Done.
All right, so I do find probable cause for each of the counts. We will issue a $1,000 bond on 4 of the counts. The other 2, of course, are infractions. And that will take care of Mr. Jones's. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Then our case, sir, pursuant to, let me just find what I'm looking for. Pardon. An incident alleged from June 26th of 2026, whereby, sir, you have since been charged with 1 count of burglary, unoccupied conveyance, unarmed.
Depends, what do you want?
If we can get a $1,000 bond, as he is a lifelong resident. He has
No,
to
give you
pay the
1,500.
Okay, that's good.
All right, state's recommending 1,500.
Yeah, no victim contact and no return on.
All right. All right, taking a look at the probable cause affidavit, I do find probable cause. The court will put a $1,500 bond in place with no victim contact. Where's the info? This one looks different. With Jarvis Kemp. And no return to where? 8941 Bermuda Drive.
Yes.
All right. Next up is Anthony Leroy Edwards.